Alright guys, so we're here at Bonnabel Boat Launch. Gonna see what the water condition looks like. If anyone planning to go fishing out here at the pier tonight. The water does look a bit low right now. You can see it's about 1.5 feet low from the sidewalk here. Gonna walk over to the boat launch area. Like someone have a crab trap right here, it looks like. Got your fishing rod holder here if you can fish here. And so the water does seem low. Got people partying out here, some cooking out here, look like, for the crew. Probably have some crabs out there. Got a nice patio to sit in here for a small party. Got people loading the boat, heading out to the water. Someone is going fishing right now. Bonnabel Boat Launch, guys. Now we're walking over to the pier. There's one the water does seem pretty clear, much clearer than the Lake Villa spot that I went yesterday. Look at these ducks. Haley, look at the duck. Hello. Let's go. Some geese, and they've been doing some work with the water break out here to attract wildlife, minnow and stuff, to improve the fishing quality around here. Oh nice, they have a school of duck in the pond. Look a lot of duck. Look at that, a lot of duck in the water. First time I ever see a lot of duck in around here in this pond. Gonna take a look here. Wow, that's a lot of duck. I don't know if you see, but there's a big school of baby duck there, and a little bit larger duck here. It's a beautiful view out here. We're 9 a.m. right now, and the wind blowing is really nice right now. Got a really high wind right now. Alright, let's go. Alright guys. So me and my daughter taking a walk in the morning. Since not doing any fishing today, just scouting, and take a nice walk with my daughter. Say hello. Hi. Okay, alright, let's go. Gonna go to the pier and see if they have catch anything. Here's the water. It's not that clear. Oh, these work being done in here, so it attracts a lot of birds over there. In that area, a lot of birds. So I do see these really help attract many wildlife. And later on, they gonna has a kayak rental. I think is somewhere here. I'm not sure yet. So I think it's gonna be toward the other side of the west end by I think Breakwater, where they have the water condition, guys. When I go out here, I usually fishing in this area. This is the water condition. Any luck? How long you been out?
Wow. Catfish, that's it.
Okay, small like gaff top. You know what are you trying to catch?
Anything that bites. It's too dirty.
Yeah.
Too much wind.
Yeah. Usually I see if there's gaff top around there. Like you couldn't find like blue cap anywhere when you see those. Yeah.
But it's nice out here.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's not as hot.
We'll just continue taking a walk around here. It's pretty nice out here. Beside the sun, but the wind is really cool right now. So if you're planning to fish out here, it's not gonna be that bad. But during this time of the day, the bite gonna be expected very slow. And you can go take a walk around this trail right here. Out on the other side, you can cross over the other side and walk out to that point right there and fish out there too. I never try out there, usually on the pier only. But I think it's probably best to fish the sunset or sunrise time. Probably the best time here. Otherwise, outside that time, it will be really slow. So he's fishing on a double drop rig with dead shrimp. So far, just a few gaff top, small one. here at this new wave breaker that they built in the marsh to create a marsh in there. So maybe later, I don't know if they're gonna do any like clean up like the bank fishing area where we can fish in that area, or you can just get a kayak and come out here and launch your kayak, and that way you have more movement to fish. Right, I think that's probably gonna be it. The scouting morning walk with my daughter, and sharing with you guys of what the conditions look like if you guys planning to come out and fish tonight. Alright, they have some nice flower along the bank here. Very nice flower right here. This walking trail is really nice. Let's walk around. There's many spots here that you can fish, but I see a lot of posts if you're fishing in this area. A lot of small catfish, so I normally don't fish in this area, but it looks like it's, you know, a lot of good spot where you can sit and fish, or you know, relax, enjoying the air. I see a lot of people putting their chair out here, just sit and relax, reading a book out here. I think that's probably something that I want to do with my daughter. You know, just outside, being outside is nice. It's really nice out here. Here's at the end where the boat coming in this area to the boat launch. Looks nice out here. Gonna walk back. Really nice walking trail if you want to take your kid out, guys, get some fresh air. Look, someone did a painting right here. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool, huh? And we found a, what's that?
Kangaroo.
No, it's not a kangaroo. It's a dog in a cartoon movie. I don't remember the name of it, but some spooky cartoon movie. Heading back and let my daughter play in the playground for a little bit. They have a tree right here, so if you want to fish right here, you can hide under the shade right here. So there's many trees out here that you can stay cool. Same right here in this spot. If you want to cast out a couple lines, put your table or your chair, camping chair here, sit and relax, have some drink. but typically around Bonnabel it's a bit slow, so you'll be sitting out here for a couple hours. Sometimes you get lucky, you know. So I've been willing to drive like an hour and a half away to Hopedale and that other spot that you get more luck. Here's how it looks closer up. Got a bunch of boats over there. And I think this spot probably is gonna be nice for waiting and you know, just standing out here and waiting and fishing. And probably cast your net. You might catch some shrimp too, but we'll see as time goes.
What kind of throw was that? Wide open.
See if he can catch some fish. And that guy boiling some crab and blue crab.
I had your hopes up, huh? Like you had that bill for me, and then you don't have it. I'm all excited.
Alright, hey guys, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment for more. Bye guys. Say bye bye. Bye bye.